Hey everyone, so in this video I'm going to tell you about my experience using headless MacBook without the screen. 2017 MacBook in 2022 is used and the price is around 500 bucks. I've been using this MacBook for my daily driver. I used it for like 4 years until 2024, and then in around November the screen of this MacBook is broken, the flex gate things, and I don't think that the repairing price is makes sense. It's around really like 300 bucks, and I don't want to spend money for that. So instead, I'm looking deep down to Reddit and find that some of the guys really using this kind of MacBook or kind of setup as a daily driver. So I try it and turns out it's really well. I will give you the details. So what I did, I take off the screens, and then whenever I need to use this as my workstation, and then I just plug it in my big panel monitor, and then just wait. Voila! I can just use it right now in here in my big screen. And whenever I go out, whenever I'm going to work from cafe or anywhere, I just bring my little device monitor, and then what I did, just plug it in, and you have the monitor.
That's simple.
Alright, so after we take off the screen, now the screen is missing, right? Because the screen is missing, that means our webcam is also missing. So whenever I need a webcam, I just connect my iPhone with the built-in continuity feature by Apple. The funny thing is, HP launched the headless products. So it's exactly like this MacBook headless setups, but without the trackpads. So that's it about my headless MacBook. So I can save up money and save the year.